How to make your own sanding sticks. One of the most used and useful tools in the jeweller's toolkit are sanding or emery sticks. They're made up of wooden sticks of different shapes with emery paper on top, and are used as part of the polishing process to remove file marks or hammer marks from metals in almost every handmade project. Here I have wooden dowels in different profiles, and I have cut them to 25 to 30 centimeters each, as well as emery paper in grits ranging from 180 to 1200. To make your sanding sticks, you'll also need a cutting board, a scalpel, a pen, and some double-sided tape. Give your dowels a quick sand before you begin, as you don't want to get any splinters, and then mark the width of your emery paper on your first dowel with your pen. Next, place the dowel along a length of double-sided tape, lining up the edge of the tape with the long edge of the wood. Use your scalpel and a ruler to cut off the excess tape. Then simply roll the wood to stick the tape all the way around. If you don't have quite enough tape, remove the protective covering off the first piece, and then repeat the process until your dowel has a layer of tape covering all sides, saving any offcuts of tape for your next emery stick. Then place one edge of your dowel along the edge of your emery paper and roll it over until all sides are covered. Remove any excess paper with the scalpel. Write the grit of the paper on the wooden handle so you don't forget. And voila! One brand new emery stick ready to use on your future jewellery pieces.